Today we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports RZR Pro XP rear door bags. These bags fit the 2020 Plus Polaris RZR Pro XP, Pro R, and Turbo R 2 and 4 door models. Install time is about 45 to 60 minutes. Can be installed by yourself with a difficulty level of beginner. Tools needed for this job are a T27 and T40 Torx wrench or bit, a 3/8 ratchet, and don't forget your safety glasses. So, gather the tools, and let's install. This video covers the removal and installation of the rear door bags. This installation process also applies to the front door bags, as they are basically the same steps. Let's start by opening the door and removing the 9 T27 and the 2 T40 Torx bolts that hold the outer door skin to the inner door frame. Now, remove the outer door skin and set it aside. Next, grab the appropriate door bag and tuck it into the door framework from the backside of the frame, as shown here. The door bag fits the cutouts in the door frame snugly. Then, make sure to pull and stretch the rest of the material out flat across the door frame, and line up the mounting holes. Now, with the material holes lined up, insert the appropriate factory Torx bolt hardware through the door frame and bag material, to hold the bags in place, as you see here. Next, grab the outer door skin, set it back in place on the frame, line up the mounting holes, and begin to thread in a couple upper bolts to hold the door skin in place. Now, start working your way around the outside, threading in the rest of the Torx bolts that hold the door bags. Then, thread in the rest of the T27 Torx bolts. Some of these bolts may give you a little trouble lining up properly, as they have backing clips. Reach around the framework, adjust the clips, and thread the rest of them in. Next, thread in the two T40 Torx bolts and tighten them down. Then, tighten down all the rest of the hardware, making sure they are nice and tight. Now, shut the door, and repeat these steps on the other door. Congrats, that completes your DRT RZR door bag install. The front and rear door bag sets are designed to perfectly integrate with factory door frames and add storage at your hand's reach. These bag sets feature two convenient pouches to keep essential items handy. A foam knee pad is included for the lower portion of the door bag to protect your knees and add comfort. Made of high-quality vinyl with carbon fiber accent material and water-resistant zippers to keep items dry. Installation is a simple bolt-in application and designed to sit securely between the door skin and frame. Until we meet on your next DRT install, be safe out there. If you have any questions during your installation, don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. We are here to help.